What is the first thing a thief would do after stealing your iPhone? They wouldn't try to unlock it or see your messages or photos. The first thing that they would do is tap on the iPhone screen, swipe down from the top right, and then tap on airplane mode. You can see by doing so, it has disconnected from my Wi-Fi. It's turned off my cellular data and my cellular signal, and it's turned off Bluetooth, essentially preventing me from accessing this phone and tracking the location. Let's go through this steps to make sure a thief could not do this, but also other important things so that you'll be able to track your phone even if they go through the process of turning that iPhone off. So the first thing you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down. From here, type in Find My and tap on the Find My app. From here, it usually defaults to the people that have shared your location, but let's tap on Devices instead. And on here, if I swipe up, tap on your device, your iPhone right here. So when I open up this iPhone, you can see it shows the exact location of it. However, the first thing that we're going to do is make sure if we lose that iPhone or it is stolen, then it will immediately notify us on other Apple devices, like an Apple Watch or an iPad or a Mac computer. So tap on Notify when left behind. Make sure to turn this on and add a location of your home address. This means it will notify you if that device is left behind, except for at your home or your work, etc. Now, the next thing we're going to do is hop out of here and make sure that they're not able to track or turn off the tracking feature. So open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Let me toggle airplane mode off real quick. From here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. From here, just enter in the passcode for your phone and then scroll down to the bottom. The next thing we want to do is tap on Stolen Device Protection and make sure to turn this on. It says this adds another layer of security on your iPhone in the event that it was stolen. And you can choose to require a security delay always, or just when you're away from familiar locations, like when you're away from your house or your work, stuff like that. Now, let's get to the part where somebody could not turn on airplane mode if they stole your phone. Let's scroll up from here, and you can see it says Face ID and passcode still in this section. If we scroll down, you'll be able to see it says Allow access when locked. And the big one is Control Center. If I turn this off, then somebody will not be able to access the Control Center if my iPhone is locked. However, you can see Siri is still enabled, or replying with messages, or my wallet, or workout health data. I would recommend turning off all of these so they can't access anything until they unlock their phone. But you probably are thinking, hey, what if they just turn the phone off? Let's prevent them from being able to turn the phone off and stop you from tracking that iPhone. To do that, tap the back arrow and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services and then tap on Share My Location. From here, you can see Find My iPhone is turned on, how you'll be able to track that iPhone. So tap Find My iPhone, and on here, turn on Find My Network. It says participating in the Find My Network lets you locate this iPhone even when it is offline, power reserve, or after power off. You also want to turn on Send Last Location. Essentially, this means right before your iPhone battery completely dies, it will send the last known location of that iPhone. So again, if somebody steals it or a thief steals it, you can notify the police and they can track down your iPhone and get it back. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.